ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಫ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, now let me read the problem. You want to find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, for which the tangent is parallel to the line 2x minus y minus 9 equals 0. And second case, it is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equals 13. Okay, take one by one. First, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Let y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is upon 2x. 2x get 2. 2 into differentiation of x is 1. At the point x1 comma y1, your dy by dx is nothing but m, slope of tangent. This should be is equal to 2x1 minus 2. So last period ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್. then we should go through the equation of tangent and normal. Right, look at these things now. So this is the slope of the given equation of curve at the point x1 comma y1. Case 1 A. What is the condition given to you? The tangent is parallel to. The tangent is parallel to. Which is the equation? 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m ಅಂದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್. Slope of tangent should be is equal to 2x1 minus 12. Look at the condition. The tangent is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 equals 0. Tangent ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಬರಲಿ, ಆ tangent ಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, the slope of tangent is equal to the slope of the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? Now let me to find the slope of the equation. Slope of tangent is upon 2x1 minus 2 should be equal to minus a by b. Slope is to minus a by b. Minus a is upon 2 divided by b is to minus 1. This should be equal to plus 2. So, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. I'll give you things now, right? ಏನು ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Then in fact, it is not required for you in the examination. Examination ಬರೀ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, this is a line which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ಇದು equation of line. ಇದು slope calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. How can you calculate the slope? by is equal to minus ax minus c. by is equal to minus ax minus c. So what is the value of y here? Minus a by b into x minus c by b. If you compare this equation with the equation of line y is equal to mx plus c, where m ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ minus a by b ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ this is important for you people. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಆರ್ಡಿಕಲ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅದು. So remember, slope of the line ax plus by plus c equals 0 is always minus a by b. I am using that condition to find the slope of this line 2x minus 5 plus 9 equals 0. Here the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 irutte. Compare this equation with the equation of line. X coefficient ಬಂದು a, y coefficient ಬಂದು b ಇರುತ್ತೆ. X coefficient is up at 2, y coefficient minus 1. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So slope 2x1 minus 2 should be is equal to 2. Let me calculate x1, right? Therefore 2x1 is equal to plus 2 minus 2 kare shift adaga plus 2 agutte. 2x1 is equal to 4. Therefore x1 should be is equal to 2. Divide madala. Got it? Adagatalva? Therefore slope of tangent eshtiruತ್ತಿga slope of tangent is equal to 2x1 minus 2. 2x1 minus 2. 2 into x1 is apart 2 minus 2. This is nothing but 4 minus 2 is also is equal to 2. This is the slope value. So now x1 bandide, I should know the value of y1. y1 calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore, what is the equation? This point, it will pass us through the equation, this one, right? Therefore, y1 is equal to x1 square minus 2x1 plus 7 ಆಗಿದೆ. But, so substitute the value of x1, get the value of y1. y1 is equal to x1 square, 2 square, 4. 2 into 2, 4 plus 7. 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And y1 should be equal to 7. Therefore, your point of contact x1 comma y1 should be equal to 2 comma 7. So then again I got the value of point of contact at the point of tangency 2 comma 7, and I should also get this slope. Slope is equal to 2 bandide. Now it is my ambition to find the equation of tangent and normal to this curve. Equation of tangent ಮತ್ತು normal na calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay? Now look at this. What is your tangent now? Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus of x1. Resubstitute the value of x1, y1 and m. Get that equation of tangent now. Therefore, y minus y1 is 7 equals m is 2 into x minus x1 is also 2. Simplify this. Y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. Rearrange matter. This implies 2x plus y plus shift adaga minus 1 minus 4 plus 7 minus 4 plus 7 is equal to 0. Can you find the final equation? 2x minus y plus 3 equals 0. This should be your equation of tangent. This is tangent. So first time calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I have to equate the slopes and get the value of x1. At x1 y1 calculate ಮಾಡಿ slope calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Equation of tangent ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Now shall the equation of normal. Right? Your equation of normal. So what is the equation of normal? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus of x1. So shall I substitute x1 by 1 and m? So y minus y1 is 7 minus 1 by m, slope is 2. X minus x1 is 2. Cross multiply and simplify. This is nothing but 2y minus 14 is equal to minus x, minus into minus plus 2. Write that RHS to LHS. Minus x ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2y minus 14 plus 2 left hand ಬಂದಾಗ minus 2 equals 0. Can you simplify this? X plus 2y minus 16 equals 0. This will be equation of tangent. So normal. So equation of tangent is 2x minus y plus 3 equals 0. Equation of normal is x plus 2y minus 16 equals 0. So first case ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Very important problem. That this is the most important problem for new people. If you are feeling the paper is tough, equation of tangent and normal, like tough problems, this is more important problem. I want to find equation of tangent and normal, which is parallel to the line. Parallel to the line idaga slopes equal agutta. So find this x1 and then y1 and then m. Equation of tangent and equation of normal. Very simple procedure. Got it? Written this and we look at this second one. Error marking. First one. Now let me look at the second one. Same problem. Tangent ಮತ್ತೆ slope ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Second condition ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Condition B, which is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equals 13. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Which is also perpendicular to minus 15x plus 5y minus 13 equals 0. So, ಯಾವ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? I have written in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here the value of a is minus 15, value of b is 5. Now the condition is simple. If the two lines are perpendicular, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Therefore, the product of the slope of tangent 1 into slope of the line, slope of ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಅದು? minus 15x plus 5y minus 13 equals 0. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 1. ಯಾವಾಗ? If the two lines are perpendicular, then their product should be is equal to minus 1. Therefore, what is slope of tangent? I got here, right? So 2x1 minus 2 into what is slope of the line? minus 15 plus b. So slope is nothing but minus a by b should be is equal to minus of a is minus 15 by b is 5. So 5 ones are 5 3s are minus of minus plus 3. This is your slope now. Into 3 should be is equal to minus 1. So shall I multiply? Simplify now. 3 2s are 6x1 minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 1. So 6x1 should be is equal to minus 1 plus 6 should be is equal to 5. So what is your x1? Is equal to 5 by 6. So this is the value of x1, right? Okay, now right. Let me to find y1. y1 calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Therefore, y1 is equal to x square 5 by 6 whole square becomes 25 by 36 minus 2x minus 2 into 5 10 by 6 plus 7. So simplify this. Let me to consider 36 as your LCM. 36 LCM. So what is the numerator? 25 minus 6 are 6, so 6 into 10 under 60 plus 7 into 36 you should get 7 into 36 and so you should get 7 into 36 will be 252 7 into 36 252 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So after simplification, how much you are going to get this now? Test for 252 plus 2500, 277 minus 60 divided by 36. So therefore, the value of y1 is equal to 277 plus 60 was that 217. Correct enough? Is it right now? Divided by 36. So this is the value of y1. Therefore, the point of contact x1 comma y1 should be is equal to 5 by 6 comma 217 by 36. Shall I find slope? Slope calculate madla. Therefore, your slope should be is equal to 2 into x1 2 into 5 by 6 minus 2. Simplify this. 2 5s are 10 by 6. Athwa 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this should be equal to 5 by 3 minus 2. 5 minus 6 by 3 should be equal to minus 1 by 3. Now look at all the points now. I got x1 by 1 and slope. Shall I find tangent? Tangent calculate madla. Therefore, the equation of tangent is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus of x1. Simplify. Y minus y1. Y minus. Your y1 should be equal to 217 by 36. 217 by 36 equals m minus 1 by 3 into x minus of x1 is 5 by 6. Okay? Simplify madla. So 36 into y is 36y minus 217 by 36 equals 6 or 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus 1 by 3. Read the LCM here. 6 is the LCM. Rx minus I. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. This is nothing but 36y minus 217 by 36 should be is equal to 6 is 18. Numerator minus 6x minus into minus plus 5. 18 ones are 82s. Cross multiply and simplify. So this should be is equal to 36y minus 217 is equal to 2 into minus 6x is minus 12x. 2 into plus 5 is 10. Write them in the standard form. Minus 12x LX is plus 12x plus 36y minus 217 minus 10 should be is equal to 0. Simplify this. 12x plus 36y minus 227 should be is equal to 0. This should be your equation of tangent. However, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನನಗೆ equation of tangent ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. Tangent is enough for you people, right? So ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So slope of perpendicular ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Condition slope of those two lines should be minus 1. Use the condition and get the value of x1 is equal to 5 by 6. Substitute x1 in the equation y. So that y1 is equal to x1 square under 5 by 6 whole square minus 2x1 2 into 5 10 by 6 plus 7. Simplify and get the value of y1 217 by 36. x1 substitute minus slope barte. Write the equation of tangent in the standard form. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 and you are supposed to get this problem. Got it? So this will be, I think so. Hopefully you do this problem, solve it, try it, and practice this problem. In the next session, I will show you some more problems. Okay? So then parallel idaga slopes equal anta calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, perpendicular idaga ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ -1 ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್.